Another keyword you'll come across in C# development is the abstract keyword. This keyword can apply to a class and also to members of a class, so to methods and properties, as well as indexers and events, which we'll be talking about later in this course. The important distinction is that an abstract class cannot be instantiated. Someone cannot use the new operator to create an instance of an abstract type. This means abstract classes are almost always designed to be used as a base class. It's a place where I want to put some code that I'm going to reuse through inheritance, but I don't want people to be able to instantiate that base class that I designed. And if that abstract class has any abstract members, like an abstract method, you must implement those abstract members in a derived class to make what we call a concrete class. A concrete class is one that can be instantiated. You can use the new operator with it. Here's an example, abstract class animal. It has an abstract method called performTrick. The interesting thing about abstract methods is that you don't have to define a method body for an abstract method. It doesn't have an implementation. This is simply a placeholder so that if people have a reference, a variable that is typed as animal, the performTrick method will be available to them even though the implementation isn't there. The implementation is going to be provided through some derived class like dog. It overrides that abstract method to provide an implementation. We'll see a couple different uses of the override keyword. One is to provide an implementation of an abstract method. I can show you one example where you would want to use an abstract class, and that would be in our sample project. This shape class. Would we really want someone inside of the code here to create a new shape and try to draw it on the screen? Conceptually, it doesn't make sense. What is the shape? It's not a rectangle. It's not a circle. We didn't instantiate a concrete type. We tried to instantiate this abstract thing called shape that really doesn't have a form. If I want to prevent that, if I didn't design shape to be used in such a manner, I can make shape an abstract class. And now when I do a build, I'll get a compiler error. Cannot create an instance of the abstract class or interface shape.